3, Spider-Man. Being skeptical is normal. All of because Mr. Abnormal. Forget me, but instead came to 5 enemies.
Spoiler.
Don't trust that fuck the daily bugle, but you can trust the people tingle. What's up? Hello, it's me Spider-Man. Everything I love is gone. Don't know my babe auntie or uncle Peter once said. Peter too mad. So woo is a Peter 3.
In the end, one is what it is always a real. Someone be gave up to love. You said my love. Yeah. Yeah.
She what's up? Count me. 1, 2, 3. Spider-Man. Spider-Man in the roof, swing by web and a safe New York. Somebody know me Peter, but you can call me Spider-Man. Yeah.
I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say, I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never cap in space. I won't stop till I hear him say. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, move fast and climb. A new path to find, yeah, true passion shines. At a cool passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day. Get lost in the ways I say.
Ngene apa ngene apa ngene?
Ya sudah ngene dah.
Ngene jere bos. Hei, jere ngene kok.
Duwe ra duwe ngene kok. Nah, batamang.
Piye?
You were the shadow to my light, made you feel up. And all the stars, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see you.
Pindah lokasi. Ini sudah selesai, Lur. Lahannya sudah habis di sini. Nanti kita pindah lokasi di sebelah jalan sana. Jauh.